Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best IQ from script special for you, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next indicator and next script. Okay, and if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel for next script. Okay, and if you not join best binary option broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading. Okay, so let's start trading with this script and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start trading with this script. Okay,
me wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh. You're chilling in wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.